podcast. Today we talk about how can you select who can send you message direct message on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just click on this photo here in app. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just go down here and you click here on chat and messaging permissions here. So then you come here to direct messages. Then here can you choose who can send you direct messages here. If you want to add anyone already or nobody here, here can you choose. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.